kasih.
I'm in Pudu today, right across from the wet market. This is Restoran Lucky, an old-school Kopitiam that hasn't tried to reinvent itself. No facelift, no branding refresh, just tables, coffee, and people who've been coming here for years. Places like this are getting rare. Step inside and it feels familiar, a little worn, a little noisy, very real. Most of the customers here are regulars. Some even plan their day around this place. They're not here for speed. They're here for something specific. This is Freddie Gan's stall. He cooks Hailam Noodles, char kway teow, and Hokkien Mee, working alone behind a well-seasoned wok. No assistants, no shortcuts. During peak hours, the wait can stretch up to an hour. And yet, people wait. Freddie's Hailam Noodles come from a family recipe that goes back generations, originally from a Siu Chow stall in Lebu Ampang. Over time, the recipe was simplified. No squid, no clams, no mint leaves, but the character stayed. What makes this version special is that it's a white Hailam Mee. No dark soy sauce, no heavy black gravy. The noodles arrive submerged in a light, viscous gravy. Comforting, but not heavy. Some people compare it to lor mee, but this one feels cleaner, less starchy, more restrained. The noodles themselves are thick, yellow, Hokkien-style strands. They hold the gravy well and give the dish its structure. You get fresh prawns and tender slices of pork, a simple surf and turf combination done properly. On top, a big fluffy fried egg and generous crispy lard fritters. That crunch is important. It adds richness without overpowering the dish. Then there's the freshness. Shredded lettuce, sliced cucumber and red onions cut through the gravy nicely. And instead of calamansi, you get a proper lime, larger, brighter. A squeeze lifts everything, especially the lard and the gravy. There's sambal belacan on the side. Personally, I find it makes a big difference. If you're not used to this lighter style of Hailam Mee, the sambal adds depth and brings the flavors together. Freddie's Hailam Noodles doesn't try to impress you on the first bite, but the balance is thoughtful and the flavors feel intentional. You can taste experience here, not trends. As for the price, I paid 10 ringgit for my plate of Hailam Mee. Considering the ingredients, the portion and the effort, this is very good value. The kind of value that's slowly disappearing. Restoran Lucky is about patience, routine and food made the same way, day after day. Freddie Gan's Hailam Noodles are quiet, balanced and deeply nostalgic. If you still appreciate old-school kopitiams and dishes that don't need to shout to be remembered, this is one stall in Pudu worth waiting for.